Okay, hi everyone. My name is Ratnam. Today we discuss hybridization. What is the definition of hybridization? It is defined as the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies so as to be redistribution of their energies, resulting the formation of new set of hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and shape is called hybridization. Once again I repeat, it is defined as the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies so as to redistribute of their energies, resulting formation of new set of hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and shape is called hybridization. Or simple definition for this, atomic orbitals are combined to form new orbitals. That orbitals we call hybrid orbitals. The process is known as hybridization. This is definition for hybridization. Here we have so many types of hybridizations. Generally they are sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3 dehybridization, sp3 d2 hybridization, sp3 d3 hybridization, d sp2 hybridization, d sp3 hybridization, d2 sp3 hybridization. So this much type of hybridizations we have, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now we discuss one by one. First one, what? sp hybridization. Okay, first we discuss the first one. sp hybridization. Here one s orbital, one p orbital are intermixing to form two sp hybrid orbitals. Okay, here one s orbital, one p orbital are intermixing to form 1 plus 1 2 sp hybrid orbitals are formed. Okay, the orbital structures for this, one s orbital plus one p orbital. P orbital always dumbbell shape. These two are intermixing to form two sp hybrid orbitals. Here one big lobe, one small lobe. This is sp. This is sp. Okay. Here s character is S character is 50% in sp hybridization. P character is 50%. How do we take these percentages? How many hybrid orbitals are formed here? 2. Now we take this one 100% by 2, 50%. 50% is S character, remaining 50% is P character. That's why we take that is S character and P character. Okay. Next, here bond angle, what? Bond angle generally 180 degrees in sp hybridization. Shape of sp hybridization is generally linear shape. Okay, this is looking generally linear. Okay, linear. Here 180 degrees, looking linear. Example for this, BeCl2. BeCl2 is the best example for sp hybridization. Okay, now we discuss this one. Here central atom what? BeCl2. Here central atom in BeCl2 beryllium. Beryllium atomic number 4. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Valence shell atom containing 2 electrons only. P orbitals containing 0 electrons. 2p0. This is ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. In excited state configuration, excited state electronic configuration, one electron is going to p orbital, that is looking like this. Here only one electron, 2s1, p orbital now containing how many electrons? 2p1, one electron. So this is forms sp hybridization. In BeCl2 molecule, beryllium undergoes sp hybridization. Okay, here chlorine atom also present. Chlorine atomic number what? Generally 70. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Here valence shell containing s orbital containing 2 electrons, p orbital containing 5 electrons, total 7. 1 2 3 4 5. The last orbit, that is 2pz. This one 3px, 3py, 3pz. 3pz orbit containing only 1 electron. That orbit is undergoing to hybridization or intermixing with sp hybridization of beryllium. Okay, here sp3 hybridization of beryllium we take. This is beryllium sp hybridization, beryllium sp hybridization. Okay, this one is overlap with chlorine atom of p orbital, so that is forms. So generally this is looking like this. Chlorino, beryllium. This is looking like it. This is looking like this. 180 degrees. The structure is linear. The general structure for this: chlorine, 180 degrees. So linear shape. Linear shape it is. Okay. This is sp hybridization. sp hybridization ఏముంది? 1 s orbital 1 p orbital are intermixing జరిగి 2 sp hybrid orbital ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది ఆర్బిటల్ స్ట్రక్చర్. 1 s orbital 1 p orbital కలిసి 2 sp hybrid orbital ఫామ్ చేసింది. దీనికి బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటంటే BeCl2. B అనేది సెంట్రల్ ఆటం అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ అటామిక్ నెంబర్ 4, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఇది గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జైటెడ్ స్టేట్లోకి తీసుకెళ్తే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడికి జంప్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఎస్ ఆర్బిటల్లో ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఉంటుంది, పి ఆర్బిటల్లో ఒకటి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి sp హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడంటే బెరీలియంలో. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ బెరీలియంకి 2 క్లోరిన్ ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. క్లోరిన్ ఆటంలో ఉన్న లాస్ట్ ఆర్బిట్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో 3pz. సో ఆ 3pzలో ఉన్న ఒక్క ఆర్బిట్ అనేది ఈ sp హైబ్రిడ్ ఆర్బిటల్స్తో ఓవర్లాప్ అయ్యి టోటల్ మాలిక్యూల్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. అది లీనియర్ స్ట్రక్చర్లో ఉన్న స్ట్రక్చర్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఇది sp హైబ్రిడైజేషన్. ఓకే.